Careful, it's slippery.
I've got your hand. Don't worry.
Are we closed now?
I'm not sure. According to the map, we should pass by the bridge first.
Wow, that bird is huge but so cute.
I think it's following us.
Alex, watch out! Faster, Alex!
Oops! This is actually a full adventure story, and what you've seen so far is just a small glimpse of it. Have you ever imagined creating your own cinematic 3D animated adventure film using only AI tools, without hiring a big animation team or spending thousands of dollars? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn simple ideas into stunning animated story videos using AI image generation, AI video animation, and smart editing techniques. Right now, AI animated storytelling is becoming one of the biggest trends online. Channels creating AI-generated adventure stories, fantasy animations, and kids animated films are getting millions of views across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. The best part is, you no longer need advanced animation skills to start. With today's AI tools, anyone can create high-quality animated films right from their computer. This makes AI storytelling a great niche for content creators because it's beginner-friendly, highly engaging, and has huge viral potential. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create your own quality 3D animated adventure film, from story creation, image generation, character consistency, animation, voiceovers, sound effects, all the way to final video editing. So if you're ready to create your own AI animated movie, let's begin.
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
Step 1. Creating story. To create an engaging story for today's 3D kids animation, I'll be using ChatGPT. Simply go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a story based on your idea. While it's easy to generate any kind of story using AI, providing your own original concept is a better approach because it helps make your story more unique and creative. To brainstorm and develop a story idea, begin by deciding what type of story you want to create, such as an adventure, fantasy, comedy, or educational story. Next, design interesting characters, choose the setting, and identify the main conflict or goal of the story. Then, think about how the character overcomes the challenge or solves the problem. Once your main concept is clear, arrange the story into a beginning, middle, and ending to create a complete and engaging narrative. So for today's project, here is the story idea I prepared. I'll simply copy it, go back to ChatGPT, and ask it to create a complete story. Then, I'll paste my story idea here and click Generate. And there you have it, ChatGPT has created a beautiful story for us, complete with character dialogue and engaging scenes. Then, I asked ChatGPT to divide the story into 12 scenes with narration and character dialogue. In just a few seconds, it organized the entire story into detailed scenes, and as you can see, we now have clear narration and character dialogue ready. We'll come back to this part later when we start generating the video so we can use the character dialogues for the voiceovers and scenes. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to create detailed text prompts for image generation. And just like that, ChatGPT provides us with complete scene-by-scene image prompts that we can use to generate visuals for our story. Step 2. Generating images and video clips. To create creative visuals for our story, I'll be using MageSpace. MageSpace is a web-based AI image and video generator that provides users with unlimited and uncensored creative tools. It allows users to generate stunning images, artwork, and visual designs using simple text prompts. It offers a wide variety of art styles, making it perfect for creating 3D cartoon scenes, fantasy environments, character designs, and cinematic visuals for storytelling projects. With its fast image generation and easy-to-use interface, MageSpace is a great tool for bringing story ideas to life visually. To start creating images and MageSpace, simply type the image prompt into the text box describing the visuals you want to create. Earlier, we already created detailed image prompts for our story. So now, let's return to ChatGPT and copy the image prompts we generated earlier. Then go back to MageSpace and paste the image prompt for the first scene. Make sure to switch to the image option here, since we'll be generating an image. Next, choose the image generation model you want to use. MageSpace offers many image generation models such as Nano Banana Pro, Mango 3S, Guava Pro, GPT Image Pro, FluxDev, and more. For this tutorial, I'll be using Nano Banana 2 for generating my images. After that, apply your characters to maintain character consistency throughout the story. I already added my characters here, so they're ready to use. If you haven't created any characters yet, simply click the new or plus icon to create one. A pop-up window will appear where you can upload your character image, enter the character's name, and add a short character description. Once everything is set, click Create Now. Your character will then be added to your character library. To use the character, simply click on it, and it will automatically be added to your prompt. As you can see, our characters have already been added. Next, set the resolution to a 16 by 9 landscape format. Then click Generate and wait for the image to finish rendering. Once the image is ready, click on it to check the quality and see if there are any errors. If the image doesn't turn out the way you want, you can click Edit, and a prompt box will appear where you can enter instructions to fix the image. For me, this image already looks good. You also have the option here to animate the image right away, but I won't do that yet because I want to create all of my images first before animating them. So now, I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the next scene, and continue generating the rest of the images. Remove the existing prompt in the chat box, but keep your characters included. Then paste the prompt for the second scene. You don't need to change any of the settings anymore, just click Generate. And there we go. Our second scene is now ready. The visuals turned out really great. Continue generating the rest of your visuals by repeating the same process for each scene. And once you already have all of your scene images ready, it's now time to start animating them. Animation time. Now, when you go back to MageSpace and wonder where your generated images are, you can find all of them inside the My Creation section. To start animating, click on the image you want to animate, then click Edit and select Animate. When animating images, you'll need to write a motion prompt, describing exactly how you want the scene to move. Be sure to fully describe the action, atmosphere, lighting, camera movement, dialogue, and facial expressions if needed. Pro tip: if you're not sure how to create video motion prompts, you can ask ChatGPT for help. Just go to ChatGPT and simply upload your image, then ask, "Create detailed text prompts for video generation, including the action, ambience, lighting, camera movement, dialogue, and lip sync." After that, just paste the action and dialogue that match your current scene, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed motion prompt you can use for animation. Simply copy the entire video motion prompt and paste it into MageSpace. Next, choose the video generation model you want to use. For this tutorial, I'll be using Peach Max. Once everything is set, click Generate. And in just a few seconds, your animated video will be ready.
Jen, look what I found!
Is that a treasure map?
Once the video is ready, download it to your computer. You can find the download option on the right side. Just click the right arrow to reveal the download button. Let me show you one more time how to animate an image. First, click on the image you want to animate, then click Edit and select Animate. In the Animation Prompt section, enter a motion prompt that clearly describes how you want the scene to animate, or simply paste the video generation prompt you created in ChatGPT. After that, choose your preferred video generation model, then click Generate to start creating the animation. Now continue animating all of your images until you have completed all the video clips for your story. Once you've finished creating all your videos, download each clip to your computer. Then, let's combine them together to create one seamless 3D animated kid story video. Step 3. Video editing. To combine all your video clips into one seamless 3D animated story video, open your preferred video editing software. For this tutorial, any basic video editor will work perfectly. First, import all the animated video clips you generated earlier. Next, drag all your clips into the timeline in the correct story order. Then set the aspect ratio to a 16:9 landscape format. After that, turn off the main track magnet and disable linkage so you can freely move and arrange your clips on the timeline more easily. Arrange your clips scene by scene so the story flows naturally from beginning to end. Pro tip: save your video clips in chronological order and rename them with numbers like Video 1, Video 2, Video 3, and so on. This will help you organize your files better and save a lot of time when arranging your clips during editing. Next, trim the unwanted parts of your video clips. If you're wondering why I have more video clips even though the story only has 12 scenes, it's because some generated clips looked good in certain parts but had errors in other sections. That's something I often experience with AI video generators. So what I usually do is regenerate those scenes, save all the versions, and then simply trim out the unwanted parts during the editing process. To remove the unwanted parts, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to cut the clip. Then click Delete Left or Delete Right to quickly remove the unwanted section of the video. You can also easily trim unwanted sections by dragging the edge of the clip inward. Continue reviewing each of your video clips and trim out all the unwanted parts until you finish editing the entire video. Before trimming, I extracted the audio from some clips so I could save the good audio and combine it with visuals from other clips using the same sound. After arranging the clips, add transitions between scenes to make the animation feel more seamless. Simply go to the Transitions section and choose the transition style you want to use. Then drag the transition effect in between your clips to apply it. Simple fade transitions or smooth camera cuts usually work best for animated story videos. You also have the option to click Apply to All if you want to use the same transition for all of your clips. But I won't use that option because I only want to apply fade transitions to selected clips only. Now it's time to add your audio. First, go to the Audio section, then open Sound Effects. From there, search for background music that matches your story setting. Since my video takes place in a forest, I searched for Ambient Forest. Preview the audio tracks in the list so you can hear how they sound before choosing one. Once you find the background music you like, drag it into the timeline. Then lower the background music volume so the dialogue can still be heard clearly. Position the audio where you wanted it to play. I'll simply duplicate the background audio and place it across the rest of the video clips so the forest ambient sounds continue playing until the end of the story. We can also add extra sound effects like footsteps, wind, bird sounds, or water sounds to make our video feel more immersive and cinematic. Once everything is synchronized, preview the entire video from start to finish. Check for timing issues, missing audio, or rough scene transitions. Make any final adjustments until the story flows smoothly like a complete animated film.
Jen, look what I found! Is that a treasure map? Do you think it's real?
Only one way to find out. Let's go.
We might be gone all day.
Then we better be ready for anything.
Finally, export your video using your preferred settings. For the best quality, export in 1080p resolution with MP4 format. Once the rendering is complete, your seamless 3D animated kids story video is now ready to upload to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or other social media platforms. Before I present our final video, I just want to answer one of the most common questions people ask: is the AI image generation and video generation tool I used in this video free? The answer is yes. MageSpace offers a free plan where you can generate AI images using many of their standard models. New users also receive 300 free gems to get started. However, the free version does have some limitations, such as slower generation speeds during busy hours, limited access to premium models and features, and some advanced tools like premium video generation, unlimited character creation, and motion controls may require credits or a paid subscription. Paid plans unlock additional features such as faster image generation, premium AI models, AI video generation tools, character consistency features, and higher quality video rendering. Even with those limitations, many creators still use the free version of MageSpace to create story visuals because it offers generous free image generation. Many users begin with the free plan first, then upgrade their subscription later once they become more familiar with the AI tools and interface. And here's the final video we created earlier. Sit back, relax, and enjoy it, and hopefully it inspires you to start creating your own.
Jen, look what I found! Is that a treasure map? Do you think it's real?
Only one way to find out. Let's go.
We might be gone all day.
Then we better be ready for anything.
Careful, it's slippery!
I've got your hand. Don't worry.
Are we closed now?
I'm not sure. According to the map, we should pass by the bridge first.
Wow, that bird is huge but so cute.
I think it's following us.
Alex, watch out! Faster, Alex! Please, bird, give it back! Please, what are we going to do? Please, bird, we need that map! Faster, Alex! Dawn, lose it!
I see where it's going!
Where did she go?
I saw her enter in this side.
Alex, there she is!
Oh, she has eggs!
They're hatching!
They're so tiny.
Oh no! There you go back to your mama. Take care! She gave it back! I think she wants us to follow her. Ah! We did it!
And we made a new friend too. Bye, bird. We will visit you here so we can play, okay?
Bye, Mother Bird. Take good care of your babies, okay? Wow, we did it! The jewels are all safe.
Yeah, and we get to keep them.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.